Alright guys, we back. 1996 Chevy Impala SS. She has a set of 22-inch Culture Classic reps, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. And if you like those wheels, we have them in stock and ready to ship, with or without floating caps. The contact information is in the description of every video. Just hit us up and we'll get you squared away. This was the last hurrah for the full-size GMB body. She got the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter LT1 V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. And that was essentially built on the 9C1 police package. They first came out, they came out with just all black. And then the 95 model year, they added dark cherry metallic and dark gray green. She can use a respray. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Driver side floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jams in the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. And she still has the factory RPO code sticker. Check that out. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. Headliner. We'll check what the mileage reads during startup. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has a 350 cubic inch, 5.7 liter V8, backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. Let's start her up. Mileage reached a little over 85,000. Make sure y'all go visit rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos, and we have financing available. All the contact information going to be in the description below. You can't go wrong with a 96 Impala. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.